assign the material from this palette to this to our 3D model. Okay, zoom in your 3D model. Okay, you can select the object that you want to assign the material, and you can click the material here from this palette. Select object and click. Let's say I click this type of material. Okay. So this one will be changed to stainless steel setting. So, okay. Or you can drag this type of material here and put it to the component that you want to assign. So it will automatically change to the material that you select just now. Okay. So overall you have two options. First, you need to select the object